Hey, what's up, guys? Today we have some exciting news to share with you all. The official release date and price of the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra have finally been revealed. Get ready for the scoop of the century. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is hitting the shelves sooner than you think, and the price will blow your mind. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the flagship phone from Samsung, has been generating a lot of buzz in the tech community. People have been eagerly waiting to see what Samsung has in store for us this time. Creating a groundbreaking device like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with its own set of challenges. Samsung had to meet the high expectations of consumers while also staying ahead of the competition in the ever-evolving smartphone market. But fear not, because Samsung has truly outdone themselves with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This device is packed with impressive features like advanced camera technology, a powerful processor, and a stunning display that will blow your mind. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the exclusive details about the release date and pricing of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Get ready to be amazed because this information is going to leave you wanting more. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a game changer in the smartphone market. With its top-of-the-line features, official release date, and competitive pricing, Samsung has truly set a new standard for flagship phones. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and be sure to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We can't wait to hear what you think about this incredible device. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more exciting news and reviews.